the new Baumfolder gathering system. As the Konica Minolta 1250P prints, the Baumfolder system has installed a divert system. So if you want to do testing, if you wanted to do any kind of jams in the system, the flap will automatically come up and divert the sheets into an automatic tray that you can remove by hand. The sheets will go into the system, and Baumfolder has installed an ionizer. What does the ionizer does? It removes all that static electricity that the copier puts into each sheet. And then when you're trying to insert it into a box, static is your worst enemy. But as the sheets come into the system, the round belt will collect the sheets, will gather the sheets on top of each other. And then when the specified number of sheets are gathered, the gate will come down and release those sheets into the fold system. The Baumfolder folding system has been around for 100 years, doing various folds for all types of graphic industry. Then we go into the Baumfolder staging units. It's a belt over belt system. What this unique system does, as our unit is folded, they go into each individual system waiting on the correct box to come down the conveyor system. As that box has barcode verified, our system will insert every time your personalized information into the box. And as that box is inserted, the next box comes down the line, our system will automatically index those sheets to the next section so it can insert. Each unit will come with a personalized console system that will state all the different errors throughout the system and will tell you that the box and the invoice have matched.